Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get bamboo shoot soup in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher. Once you're in game, press M on your keyboard, which will bring up the map. So in the map, you need to search for this place called Wangshu Inn, which is right over here, and then click on this teleport waypoint and then click on teleport, which will take you to Wangshu Inn. As you can see, I'm already in Wangshu Inn. All you need to do is get in first and talk to this boss called Vergoldept. Press F to interact. And then press I'd like to buy something to eat. Now search for bamboo shoot soup, scrolling down, which is right over here. As you can see, I've already bought this item, so I cannot buy this anymore, and it says it's sold out. But if you haven't, there will be an option called Purchase right over here. Click on it, which will give you the recipe, and then you can cook bamboo shoot soup and eat it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming